Critical appreciation or summary of wants. Introduction. Philip Larkin was British modern poet, novelist and critic. Is regarded as the best poet in post First World Second period. He worked as university librarian in Hull. He was regarded as perhaps the best of post Second World War. The poem Wants is a very popular modern poetry in which the poet is examining himself and desire to be let alone, which is sometimes a feature of human personality. The poem also reflects endless wishes of human beings, which presents the hacked life of modern man. Title of the poem. Wants is always an important part of literary creation because it shows theme of poem. Here the title wants short, simple and static, but it is an apt and thematic. As a verb it shows feelings of an individual. On the other hand, as a noun it shows abundant desire of human being. Theme of the poem. The poem reveals human psychology and human nature. 20th century has raised a moral and spiritual question towards man's faith and existence as a human being. The plentiful wants made him frustrated. So poet wants aloofness. He wished to be alone is the theme of the poem. Critical summary. The great change occurred in modern life during the First World War. Larkin is the spokesman of the world. In the first stanza, the poet is expressing his ideas and thought about 20th century and man's psychology. Poet does believe that after all kinds of human wants, his wants for loneliness is the main want. Then, as Sigmund Freud says, sex is the supreme desire of man, but poet tries to live from such a boring life, though he wants to be alone and the unity of family is only seen in photographs of some certain occasion. But in reality, the poet also depicts about time-bound personality of man. He worries not for his life but for his death. In the second stanza, here it is a satirical note about life insurance and he asks what the use of it. At the very end, poet comes to his main thought that today where man is doing only due to his desire and oblivion, and he expresses poetic quality. Poetic quality. The poem is very simple, straightforward and charming. The poem is in 2 stanzas and both of the stanzas consist of 5 lines. Hence there is only 10 lines in poem and each line is dealing with a new example of human wishes.